Hey everyone, welcome to Review Product. There's nothing more frustrating than finding a dent on your car, whether it's from a runaway shopping cart or a rogue hailstone. Professional repairs can be expensive, but what if you could tackle some of those things yourself? I'm Review Product, and today, we're diving into the best dent removal kits on the market. We've researched various types of kits to bring you the top 5 models that can help you restore your car's smooth finish. Ready to make those dents disappear? Let's jump right in. Number 5. Big Red 10-Ton Porta Power Hydraulics Kit. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the heavy-duty Big Red 10-Ton Porta Power Hydraulics Kit. This isn't your average DIY dent puller, it's a professional-grade system designed for serious auto bodywork and frame repair. The biggest advantage of this kit is its immense hydraulic pushing power, capable of straightening large dents, bending metal, and performing frame alignment tasks that smaller tools simply can't handle. It comes with a variety of attachments for spreading, pushing, and wedging, making it versatile for substantial bodywork. This kit is built for durability and the toughest jobs. Pros: extremely powerful 10-ton capacity, capable of heavy-duty dent repair and frame straightening. Versatile attachments comes with various spreaders, plungers, and wedges for different applications. Professional-grade tool for serious auto bodywork. Durable construction built for long-term use. Cons: very expensive, significant investment compared to other dent removal kits. Requires specialized knowledge, not for beginners. Improper use can cause severe damage to the vehicle. Bulky and heavy to store and transport. Overkill for minor dents. Key features: 10-ton hydraulic ram, wide range of attachments, heavy-duty steel construction, professional auto body tool. Number 4. EWK Pneumatic Suction Dent Puller. Next up at number 4 we have the efficient EWK Pneumatic Suction Dent Puller. This tool stands out for its air-powered suction capability, making it incredibly effective for pulling out larger, shallow dents on flat metal panels. The biggest advantage is that it connects to an air compressor, creating a powerful and consistent vacuum seal that provides strong pulling force with minimal effort. It's much faster and often more effective than manual suction cups for larger, smoother dents, allowing for quick and clean dent removal without damaging the paint. It's a great tool for professionals or serious DIYers with an air compressor setup. Pros: powerful pneumatic suction, provides strong, consistent pulling force for large, shallow dents, faster than manual suction cup methods, efficient dent removal, non-damaging to paint if used correctly. Durable metal construction. Cons: requires an air compressor, not a standalone tool. Not suitable for creased dents, sharp angles, or very small dings. Can be expensive if you don't already own an air compressor. Requires a smooth, clean surface for proper suction. Key features: air-powered vacuum, large suction cup, quick action, heavy-duty build. Number 3. Suction Cup Dent Puller. Sliding into the number 3 spot we have the versatile and widely accessible Suction Cup Dent Puller. This tool is popular for its simplicity, affordability, and ease of use, making it a great entry-level option for minor, shallow dents. The biggest advantage is its straightforward, manual operation. You simply place the suction cup over the dent, apply pressure to create a vacuum, and pull. It's perfect for removing small, rounded dents like those from hail or light bumps on smooth, non-porous surfaces. It's incredibly portable, requires no additional tools, and is a quick fix for minor aesthetic imperfections. Pros: very affordable, extremely budget-friendly. Simple to use, no special tools or power required. Highly portable, small enough to keep in your glove box or toolbox. Effective for small, shallow, rounded dents on smooth surfaces, non-damaging to paint if used correctly. Cons: limited effectiveness, only works on very shallow, rounded dents, ineffective on creased, sharp, or large dents. Suction can be inconsistent, may lose grip on textured or very curved surfaces. Not suitable for dents that have stretched the metal. Requires a clean, dry surface for proper adhesion. Key features: manual suction, simple operation, compact size. Universal use for minor dents. Number 2. XtremepowerUS 13-pound Dent Puller. Our runner-up at number 2 is the robust XtremepowerUS 13-pound Dent Puller. This tool is a beast for tackling more stubborn and larger dents that suction cups can't handle. The biggest advantage is its heavy-duty slide hammer mechanism, which allows you to apply significant pulling force to a dent working the metal outwards. It typically comes with various attachments like hooks or screws that can grip the dent from the outside. This is a go-to tool for more challenging dents, bodyline imperfections, or when you need serious leverage to move metal. It's built for durability and effective metal manipulation. Pros: powerful pulling force, effectively removes larger, deeper, and more stubborn dents. Versatile attachments often includes hooks, screws, or pads for different dent types. Durable, heavy-duty construction for professional or serious DIY use. Good for working out body lines and stretched metal. Cons: requires drilling, welding. Many attachments require a hole to be drilled into the dent or a stud welded on, which can damage paint. Can be difficult to control. Improper use can easily overpull or stretch the metal, making the dent worse. Requires skill and experience for best results. Bulky and heavy to store. Key features: 13-pound slide hammer, various pulling attachments, heavy-duty construction, effective for stubborn dents. Number 1. 9-way 4-pound slide hammer and puller set. And finally, crowning our list at number 1, it's the 9-way 4-pound slide hammer and puller set. This kit takes our top spot due to its unmatched versatility and comprehensive range of attachments, making it the ultimate all-in-one solution for various dent removal and pulling tasks. The biggest advantage is its inclusion of 9 different ways to pull, including hooks, screw-in tips, a smaller slide hammer, and sometimes even suction cups, allowing you to tackle almost any type of dent, from small dings to more significant body imperfections. It's a highly adaptable system that provides effective leverage and pulling force, making it an indispensable tool for both professional body shop technicians and serious DIY mechanics who need a versatile toolkit for different metalworking challenges. It truly offers a solution for almost any dent you encounter. Pros: extremely versatile, 9 different pulling methods, attachments for various dent types. Comprehensive kit, offers solutions for small dings, larger dents, and other pulling tasks. Provides effective pulling force for metal manipulation. Good value for the wide range of tools included. Durable construction for repeated use. Cons: requires some experience. Best results achieved with proper technique and knowledge of metal work. Some attachments may require drilling a hole in the dent or welding a stud. Can be a bit bulky to store due to many pieces. Not as heavy-duty as a 10-ton hydraulic system for frame straightening. Key features: multi-way pulling, hooks, screws, suction, jaws, slide hammer. Comprehensive kit. Versatile for various dent types.